Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to extend the dates of your Google Ads campaign. This is a crucial skill when you need to keep your campaigns running beyond their original schedule, ensuring continuous visibility for your ads without having to create new campaigns from scratch. First, open your web browser and navigate to ads.google.com. Once the page loads, log into your Google Ads account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your Google Ads dashboard, which serves as your central hub for managing all your advertising activities. From here, look toward the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation bar, locate the Campaigns menu, and click on it. This menu is where you'll access all the tools needed to manage your campaign settings. Once you click on Campaigns, the menu will expand, revealing additional options. You'll automatically be directed to the Campaign Overview page, which gives you a broad look at your account's performance. From the expanded menu that appears, look for the option labeled Campaigns and click on it again. This takes you deeper into the campaign management interface where you can make specific adjustments. Now, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the campaigns you have running in your account displayed across different statuses like active, paused, or ended. To extend the date of a specific campaign, hover your cursor over the campaign you want to modify. When you do this, you'll notice a gear icon appear. This icon represents the settings for that particular campaign. Go ahead and click on it. Clicking the gear icon will redirect you to the campaign settings page where you can adjust various parameters. From here, look for the section labeled Budget and Dates, and click on it. This section controls the financial limits and time frame for your campaign. You'll see two key fields here, the start date and the end date. The end date is what we need to modify to extend your campaign's runtime. Look for the Edit button next to these date fields and click on it. This will unlock the date settings, allowing you to make changes. From here, you can adjust the end date by clicking on the drop-down menu under the End Date field. A calendar will appear, letting you select a new date that extends beyond the current end date. Choose your desired new end date carefully, ensuring it aligns with your marketing goals and budget. Once you've selected the new date for this campaign, click on Save. The system will process your changes, and your campaign will now continue running until the newly specified end date. Give it a moment to save, and you're all set. And that's it, you've successfully extended the dates of your Google Ads campaign, keeping your ads active and your marketing momentum going. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.